Hey guys, Shawnus here. Welcome to this video. So in this video, we're going to talk about what makes a good video. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you three things that I usually do to make a really good video and show you a really good example of a high converting video. Okay, so let's go over it. Let me just make this webcam small. And guys, I'm gonna use less sliders because this section is all about video marketing, and it's really good it's better, I believe, for me to actually show you everything while I'm talking about it. Alright, so first of all, this is my YouTube channel, so if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go there and subscribe. I mean, if you just YouTube me or Google me, Sean Bagheri, you're gonna see it. And let me just Google it. There you go. You're just gonna see my website and then my YouTube channel. Once second, go there and subscribe, okay, because I publish a lot of awesome videos in there, which is going to help you a lot on your business. Now let's talk about what makes a good video. Okay, number one, if you can see the text notepad over here, now number one is extra real value. Okay, now let me tell you something about the extra real value. That there's a reason I called it extra real value, because there's a reason behind it. Now, as I mentioned before, in section 1, we talked about bonuses. I told you to make sure to have bonus because adding more value helps a lot. But in video, that's what I love about video, because in video you actually get a chance to show your bonus in action, show your bonus and prove to everyone that, okay, people, my bonus is real. And that's the whole point. Now let me show you a really good example. Let me make this video small. This is a video I recently uploaded about 4 days ago, from the time from now that I'm recording this video, 4 days ago. And this video so far have made me $380. $380 from this video, and this video got 44 views. Okay, now there's a reason why this video got a lot of this much sales. I mean, 44 views. That's all. I mean, let's say 4 of these views are mine, because I watched it a couple of times, and 40 views and almost 400. That's $10 per view. Okay, no YouTuber gets paid that much. So again, extra real value, that's one of it. I'm gonna actually show you in action why this video got so many sales. Okay, but let me just go over this stuff real quick. Extra real value, bonus or offer something. In this video, on the other one, actually the video that I'm talking about right now, I offered coaching, and let me tell you why it worked so well. Because I actually did the coaching live before promoting the videos, promoting the product. So basically what I did was I started a video by explaining about the product a bit, and then I did a live coaching on the same video. So whoever was looking for the product, Google Sniper, they were expecting to see another a normal, Google Sniper review, but what they saw after that was, hey, this guy is coaching this guy is coaching this person's website and telling him what to do. So this is a real person, this is a real guy. I gotta purchase from him so he can help me out like he did in this video. So that's how you provide value. If you can do that, if you have the opportunity to do it, and it's gonna get you crazy amount of sales. And that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, it worked for me first time, and I'm just gonna do a couple of more of these videos. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do 2 every month. So yeah, next one is proof. Okay, again, providing proof works really good. Proof of everything, proof that you purchased the product. Again, in this video, I went inside the Google Sniper and showed what's inside. So that's a proof. Or I showed a proof. I'm not sure if I did show it, but I showed my my ClickBank results. So I'm telling them, hey, I'm making money with this, so it works. That's a proof. And next one is real amateur look. Have you seen those videos? Let me actually. Again, we're talking about the last one, which is real amateur look. Have you seen those videos where people have? I mean, the person in video has these. What they have the suits, wearing these suits and stuff. I mean, do you think someone wants to buy products from it? I mean, let me tell you, let me make something real clear. I'm not saying that it's wrong, because It depends on the video's niche or video's subject. You should have different styles. Okay, I mean, I've had a video made with suits about a specific product that I was promoting. I mean, I didn't upload it on YouTube, but it was on the website, and I had that video made, and it was a video. The guy had suit and everything. It was really professional because the subject was really different. Okay, now in these kind of stuff, YouTube, especially YouTube, people believe the person without the suit. Okay, so try to look amateur as possible. Like maybe record it with your laptop, like what I'm doing right now. I mean, I'm just recording this with my laptop's webcam. Okay, and I mean, I have a good microphone, but just try to look really, really normal and amateur, because that's what is all this whole thing about. You want to tell people, hey, I am at the same place that you are, so you're telling them, hey, they should trust you because we both are at the same place. So it's really important to have this amateur look. Don't try to wear something cool, something, so a hat, or I don't know, glasses. I mean, I've seen people wearing sunglasses on YouTube talking about some make money online thing. I mean, I don't know. It just doesn't make sense to me, okay? Because it's wearing sunglasses. It's not bad, but it just seems that you're hiding something. Even if you're not hiding something, it just gives the vibe that you're hiding something, and it's just not good. And I can't trust the guy who's talking in YouTube with sunglasses. Okay, so so yeah, again, let's go over this stuff real quick, and then I'm gonna show you the video. Again, extra real value like bonus or coaching, and then proof. If you've purchased the product, tell them, hey, show them, yeah, that you have, and then if you have results, show them results. And also real amateur look, try to look normal and friendly and that kind of stuff. Okay, let's go over the video that I'm talking about. So this video again got 44 views, and again, four of the views are my views totally, but 40 views and $400, almost, not 380, but almost 400 in sales. Now let me show you why this video got so many sales. Let me just mute it. Okay, take a look. I started this video by drinking water. It's not an accident, guys. This is not an accident. And if you're kind of smart, you're gonna get it. This is not an accident that I started this video with drinking water, because, well, I was thirsty, obviously, but I was trying to just make it amateur as possible. I was trying to make it that tell everyone who's watching this video that, hey, I'm a normal person, and this simple act of drinking water proves that yes, I am a normal person. And that's why this stuff works really well. I mean, these are really small psychological facts, okay? And then I started going over I explained what I'm going to do in this video, okay? And then went over my bonus. See, I started with value. I didn't even go through the Google Sniper product yet. I told them, hey, I'm gonna talk about it, but not much. I'm just gonna, because I have a lot of videos about Google Sniper, but what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna talk about things that you care about. Okay, that grabs a lot of attention, right? And then I'm going through my bonus and telling me, hey, this is the bonus that you're gonna get. It's awesome. And then I'm explaining things here. What's the bonus about? I'm going through the whole videos and everything they're gonna get from me. Okay, and then we're gonna talk here. After that, I'm going over Google Sniper course itself. Again, I'm providing proof that I purchased it because I'm inside members area. Okay, and then let's go. And then again, keep continuing. I'm again talking about the Sniper, Google Sniper, going on, showing stuff in there. And let's go here. Let's see if I showed my ClickBank account. Okay, yeah, I did not show my ClickBank account. I think the fact that I showed my let me just bring this video. Okay, the fact that I showed my bonus was enough. I didn't really go through my ClickBank account. And also I was kind of in a hurry, so I was trying to get a video up. I mean, I wasn't really expecting to get this much sales from this video. So yeah, again, ClickBank, I'm sorry, the Google Sniper, and then after that I'm talking about this guy's website. Now this person sent his website to me to actually do a coaching on the website, you know, tell him, hey, what he needs to do to improve his sniper site. And I didn't even think he purchased the Google Sniper site from me, Google Sniper course from me. I mean, I just thought this would be a great opportunity because I've done this before, and let me see if I can find it here. No, but I can find it in my channel. I've done sniper sighting, sniper coachings, live sniper coachings a lot before. I think I have a list of them here. There you go. This is the last one I did, and I did like 3 sniper sites, and this was like a 44-minute video. Okay, and yeah, I've done it before, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to make a good video, and I did. Look, I'm just comparing his sniper site with one of my own sniper site in this. Again, see, I'm going through my own sniper site and telling him, hey, you need to add this, you need to add that, and you know, basically coaching stuff. It's really not hard, guys. Let me tell you guys, this is really not hard. It's really not hard to be a coach. All you gotta do is just correct them. It's not complicated. I mean, even if you don't know, go and just Google it and then tell you need to do this, that. Okay, it's not complicated. And that's pretty much it. You know, after this video, I brought up my own, again, I'm showing my own face and telling him, hey, if you want me to do the same thing for you, after go purchase a Google Sniper from my link, and I'm gonna coach you, I'm gonna send you the bonus and everything, blah 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 blah. And there you go, $400 in 4 days, I think. There you go. Yeah, 5 days for almost $400 from a single video. How awesome is that? Okay, so guys, you get the idea. If you want to make good videos, do this stuff. Be real, provide value. It's really, really important. Provide value, be real, and have this amateur look. Even the smallest thing, you know, like fixing your hair. You know, fixing your hair, that works. It works, really. Or maybe you starting a video with this, like you're just sitting on the chair. You know, this small stuff, it works really good because it shows that you are a real person. And if you do this kind of stuff, your videos are going to convert crazy because visitors from YouTube, I mean, again, you're gonna have this link. We're gonna talk about this kind of stuff a lot more in future, but you see, you're gonna have this link obviously to send it to Google Sniper opt-in page. I mean, or your own product, your product opt-in page, or whatever you're promoting. Okay, but visitors from YouTube to landing pages or, you know, sales pages, they convert like crazy. Okay, it's just absolutely mind-blowing how it converts. So this is something you definitely should use, and we're going to talk about it more in future. But yeah, just try to create a good video. Now, next video I'm going to talk about, I think, how to actually come up with subject of your video. Because let's say you have a product about, again, that's something I'm going to do, guys. Let me tell you, I'm going to promote a video marketing product. Okay, it's a new product. I'm going to promote it on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to go with you step by step from next video to show you exactly what I do. You know, I do research on YouTube and Google to see what other people are doing, and you know, what I need to target, you know, what keywords I need to target, and that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna actually, after this video, I'm gonna create the actual YouTube video, and then we're gonna go over how I do this and how I upload it, how I do the targeting and everything, and you know, optimization and that kind of stuff. We're gonna talk about a lot of stuff about YouTube. Okay, so again, make awesome videos, and I'm gonna see you in next video.